Okay, last but not least is the ability to share content. Your instructor might share content with you, or they might allow you to share your content. So let's go ahead and click on the Share Content button and see the types of things that you can share. You can share your entire screen. You can share any of the programs that are open on your computer. You can also share a file like an image or a document, and you can also choose to share another application. So let's say I wanted to share Microsoft Word, but I didn't already have it open when I came here. If I choose other application, it'll allow me to choose which program I want to open up so that people can see. And the other option is to create a whiteboard. This is just a blank space that you can write on, do math equations on, draw illustrations on, etc. So let's see how this works. I'm just going to share my entire screen. And before I do that, I wanted to point out that you can also choose to optimize for motion and video. If you wanted to share video with somebody, you would need to choose this option, and then it'll have you download, I think, some audio drivers and install those, which is fairly easy. But if you need help with that, make sure to contact your instructor or student services. Okay, so for right now, I just want to share the screen. And when I share this screen, you'll notice that everything kind of goes away. This is just showing my web browser. So I can come over here and visit a website. So I'll go to morgancc.edu. And when you're sharing your screen, you have this orange bar at the top. These are all those options that we saw at the bottom of Webex before. You can see that you can pause your screen sharing, you can stop it. You can share other things if you wanted to share more content like a file or a video. And then you can also choose to assign, so you can throw the control of this sharing to another person if you want to, which means handing over the control to somebody else in the class. You can also choose to unmute yourself, close your video, open the participants area. So this opens up as its own window. Open the chat feature, which does the same thing. And then you can also choose to annotate. So annotation is going to bring up this little toolbar on the left, and it allows you to draw directly on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab my pen tool, and I'm going to circle something. Well, yep, pen tool. And I'm going to circle something, and then now when you create an annotation, you also have the ability to download it so that you can save or capture whatever you just created. So when we're done with sharing, we'll go ahead and click Stop Sharing. And I think that's basically all the features in Webex. Just make sure to practice with it. The first 5 minutes of class, when you're getting used to it, just click on these buttons and see what they do and get familiar with all the different features of Webex. As always, if you have any questions, please contact MCC Student Services, your instructor, or the tech support people.